You got it right. Today, we making Chinese salt and pepper chicken wings. Oh, one of my favorites. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. Let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let's go ahead and do a quick roll call. Right here, we have our chicken wings right here. We have cornstarch. We're gonna use rice wine vinegar. We have some minced ginger here. 3 or 4 garlic cloves right here. We have some chopped serrano peppers, the red and the green. Sliced garlic cloves here. Kosher salt, white pepper. And right here we have kosher salt and white pepper combined. And we have a tablespoon of butter right there. So these are the ingredients, guys. Man, this is gonna be delicious. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our chicken. So we're gonna take our rice vinegar. We're just gonna pour it here over our chicken just like that. And we're gonna kind of get that in there like that. And we're gonna add our salt, our garlic, and our ginger. And I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to get it mixed around in here. Want to make sure that we get all this flavor over all these wings. And we're going to try to get them submerged as much as possible in this rice wine vinegar. So now we're going to cover this up, put it in the refrigerator. We're going to let it marinate for about an hour, or you could do it overnight for the maximum flavor. For the sake of this video, we're gonna do it for 1 hour. I think that's all we're gonna need. All right, and we'll be right back. All right, our chicken is almost done marinating, so we're gonna start preparing our chili toppings. Now, you could do this after you cook your chicken, or you could do it prior. I like to do it before because when my chicken comes out, I like to go ahead and hit it with the toppings or the sauce that I have prepared for it while it's hot. I don't want like my chicken just sit in like a holding area and while I finish cooking my sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and prepare ours now, because you can always kind of microwave it, nuke it real quick to heat it up again just to make it warm. So we're gonna start our cooktop. We're gonna bring that up to temperature while we melt a tablespoon and a half of butter. All right, so now that our butter is foaming, we're gonna start adding our sliced garlic along with our chilies and our 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper, And we're just gonna cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want to see the chilies kind of begin to slightly brown, and that's how you know it's ready. All right, so as you can see, our chilies are slightly brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. I'm gonna sit this aside in an empty dish. So when our chicken is done, we're just gonna kind of toss it in this or even pour it over our chicken. Guys, and this is what we have. All right, so let's continue. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. Our chicken is out of the refrigerator. We're going to discard the marinade, and then we're gonna bring our chicken right back over. All right, so now we have our cornstarch and our chicken back in the picture. So what I did with our cornstarch, I just added a little bit of salt there and a little bit of white pepper, just to give it a little flavor on our coating. And what we're gonna do is just start tossing our chicken pieces in our cornstarch like that. And you're gonna shake off the excess. So we're gonna move over here to our stove because we're gonna cook on our stove. We're not gonna deep fry it today. We're gonna this is kind of shallow frying, but sort of deep frying. All right, let's go over here to our stove. All right, so now we're gonna start adding our chicken pieces. I've preheated this to 350 degrees. So we're gonna start dropping them in here. And these are pretty small, so we're gonna let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until they're crispy and brown, just what we're looking for. All right, so now we're finishing up our second batch. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Just take a look at these, just like we want. And I'm gonna stick these over in a oven too, in our warmer, because we have one more batch to cook. All right, guys, so it looks like we are done with this batch. So we're gonna go ahead and get these removed, and then we're gonna head over to our cutting board for our final presentation, all right? All right, so now we have them here on our cutting board. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our salt and pepper mixture right here. This is kosher salt and some white pepper. And we're gonna sprinkle a little bit over the top like that. And then we're gonna take our chili mixture and we're gonna start dropping that over our chicken pieces just like that. Guys, this just adds and gives it, oh man, so much more flavor. But I typically put all of it on here. Then I come back with more of my salt and pepper mixture. On top mixture over there. And there you have it, guys. Chinese salt and pepper chicken. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. I'm gonna leave the measurements to the ingredients. They're gonna be in the video description below. So let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to tap into one of these babies. All right, let's go. All right, so we are here for quality control. Man, I got my bowl of salt and pepper chicken, Chinese style. So without further ado, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. Look at this here, man. Oh man, the crunch on this is gonna be amazing. Oh man. A little spicy now for y'all. Just letting you know, but it is delicious. Oh man. I'm back in wing heaven, y'all. The spice level is right up my alley. Guys, don't get thrown off by the light color of it. That's just the cornstarch, man. You know, rest of the chicken is cooked and it's brown. Well, it is delicious. Oh man. So guys, you definitely want to try this out. So until then, I'm your cook. You already know who I am. Spinell, all wings, everything. And I'm gonna get me another one. And I am out. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. I already said it. I'm out. Peace.